Tired of hunting for the Products tab every time? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly how to add it to your navigation bar. No more digging through menus or searching in circles. It is one of those small fixes that saves you so much hassle. So here is the plan. We will edit your navigation menu, search for Products, add it, and hit Save. That is it. Let us go. All right, first things first. Look at the top of your Salesforce screen, right there in the navigation bar. See that little pen icon? That is the Edit button for your navigation menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key to customizing what you see every single day. Once you click it, you will notice the whole navigation bar changes a bit. It gives you a few new options right inside the bar itself. It might look a little different, but do not worry. This is exactly what we want. Now, right there in that editing mode, you should see a button that says Add More Items. Click on that one. This opens up the full list of everything that is available to add to your navigation. It is like opening the catalog. You will see a bunch of items already listed, but we are looking for something specific. You will notice there are a few tabs at the top of this new window. They probably say something like Selected and then a few other options. What you want to do is click on the tab that says All. This is important because the All tab shows you absolutely everything in Salesforce, not just the stuff that is already picked. If you only look at the default options, you might not find what you are searching for. So go ahead and click on All to see the full picture. All right, now that you have every item in front of you, the easiest way to find products is to use the search bar. Just type in the word Products. And here is the really important part. As you type, Salesforce will filter the list down for you. It makes finding things super fast. You do not have to scroll through hundreds of items. Just type it in. Once you type Products, you should see it appear in the list below. Click on the word Products to select it. You will see it get highlighted or checked. This just tells Salesforce that this is the item you want to add. Now, look over to the right side of that same window. You will see a button that says Add One Nav Item. Click on that one. This moves products from your available list over to your active navigation bar. You will usually see it pop up on the list on the right, confirming it is on its way. And here is the final step. To make everything stick, you need to click the Save button. Do not forget this part. If you just close the window, all that work disappears. So click Save and watch your navigation bar update. There it is. Products is now sitting right there, ready to go. And that is it. From now on, no more hunting. You just click that tab whenever you need it. I have done this exact process on plenty of Salesforce orgs, and it works the same way every time. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and stick around for more quick Salesforce tips.